Today I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Day cards to attach to pencils. These are very inexpensive, easy favors to make for the whole class. The supplies you'll need are pencils, heart cutouts, both of which I purchased at the Dollar Tree, some cardstock, any color of your choice, glue, scissors, a pencil, and a marker or a pen. To begin, we're going to start by folding the paper in half. Bring the edge of the paper to the middle crease line and make a quarter fold. Make the exact same fold on the other side. Now take a heart and use it as a guide to trace a heart along the fold line. Make sure the fold is part of the heart. Once the heart is drawn, cut it out, but make sure not to cut out the fold. Use this as your template to draw as many hearts as you need. Next, take a card, fold the second heart, the back of the card, in half. In the center of the heart, cut 2 slits, about 1/4 of an inch long. Check to make sure the pencil fits nice and snug through the slits. If the cuts are too long, the pencil will fall right through. Decorate the front of the card by gluing a heart. You can choose to leave it blank or write a greeting. In this case, I'm writing Happy Valentine's Day. Glue another heart in the inside of the card. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more happy crafts.